Hello everyone, welcome back. A massive storm has struck Crimea, leaving the iconic Crimean Bridge vulnerable. Experts warn that this could reveal critical weaknesses in its defenses. Today, we dive deep into what this means for the region and why the world is watching closely. Stay tuned as we break it all down. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are focusing on a major development affecting the Crimean Bridge. A recent storm has severely damaged the bridge's protection systems, raising questions about its overall resilience. This bridge is a critical link between Russia and Crimea, both strategically and economically. Any damage to it can have serious consequences for the region's transport, trade, and military logistics. According to experts, the storm's intensity caused structural vulnerabilities, particularly in key sections that were previously reinforced. These weaknesses are now under scrutiny by analysts, engineers, and international observers. The bridge, spanning the Kerch Strait, has always been a target of attention due to its symbolic and practical importance. Damage to it can disrupt not only Russia's connection to Crimea, but also impact global shipping routes and regional energy supply chains. Satellite images show areas where protective barriers have been compromised, and engineers are assessing potential structural impacts. While no complete collapse is expected, these developments highlight vulnerabilities that could be exploited during conflict or emergencies. Experts emphasize that repair work is ongoing, but full restoration could take weeks, depending on weather conditions and accessibility. Today, we explore what this storm damage means for the bridge, the strategic implications for the region, and why analysts consider this a moment of concern. The Crimean Bridge is one of Russia's most strategically important infrastructures. Stretching over 19 kilometers across the Kerch Strait, it connects Crimea with the Russian mainland, facilitating the transport of goods, fuel, and military equipment. The recent storm has caused significant damage to protective installations, including barriers and reinforcement segments designed to withstand both natural and human threats. Engineers and structural experts are carefully analyzing the compromised areas to determine potential risks. Satellite and drone images have revealed cracks and weakened points that could, if ignored, compromise traffic safety. Analysts warn that even minor structural weaknesses can have major consequences, considering the bridge's importance. The storm also exposed drainage systems, protective walls, and flood prevention installations that were already under strain due to age and heavy use. This creates challenges not only for maintenance, but also for regional security planning. Authorities are currently deploying repair teams, but strong winds and ongoing harsh weather complicate efforts. Meanwhile, the bridge remains operational, although with certain restrictions for heavy vehicles. Experts say monitoring and immediate mitigation are crucial to avoid long-term damage. Beyond infrastructure, this situation has drawn international attention because of Crimea's geopolitical significance. The bridge's vulnerability can impact military logistics, supply routes, and regional stability. Analysts are watching closely, weighing the potential outcomes. Historically, the Crimean Bridge has been a symbol of Russia's strategic hold over Crimea. Constructed to strengthen connections and assert control, it carries both civilian and military traffic. Storm damage to its protective systems is now raising alarms among observers worldwide. Engineers note that sections of the bridge, particularly those exposed to high winds and water currents, suffered the most. Protective barriers designed to absorb impact were damaged, leaving structural elements exposed. This type of exposure can accelerate wear and tear, and even small failures in critical areas could disrupt transport or cause safety hazards. The timing of the storm is also significant, as regional tensions remain high. Analysts are evaluating whether the bridge can withstand additional natural events or other stressors without long-term consequences. Russia's maintenance teams are reportedly conducting around-the-clock inspections, but some areas remain difficult to access due to weather conditions. The strategic importance of the bridge cannot be overstated. It is vital for connecting Crimea to the Russian mainland, transporting essential goods, and supporting energy and water supply systems. Any disruption could have ripple effects, affecting trade, civilian mobility, and military operations. Experts highlight that proactive maintenance and real-time monitoring are crucial during this period. Satellite surveillance and drone inspections help identify vulnerable areas, allowing authorities to prioritize urgent repairs. Today, we continue to examine the potential implications of these vulnerabilities for both regional stability and global observers. The storm's impact on the Crimean Bridge has sparked a series of analyses and expert discussions. Structural engineers are examining the bridge's ability to withstand additional pressure from traffic loads and environmental factors. Some reports indicate minor damage to bridge pylons and road surfaces, which may worsen if immediate repairs are delayed. Analysts emphasize that even without catastrophic damage, compromised protective structures increase risks for transport accidents and operational delays. Beyond physical integrity, there are broader strategic concerns. The bridge is a crucial supply route, not only for civilian use but also for military logistics. Damage to its defenses can reduce operational flexibility, and observers are closely monitoring how authorities respond. International experts are also studying satellite imagery to assess long-term effects. While the storm was natural, its timing intersects with geopolitical tensions, drawing attention to how infrastructure vulnerabilities can impact broader regional dynamics. Engineers are using cutting-edge techniques, including laser scanning and structural modeling, to predict weak points and prioritize maintenance. Officials aim to maintain traffic flow while ensuring safety, but harsh weather continues to challenge repair efforts. Observers note that storms like these reveal underlying structural vulnerabilities that may have gone unnoticed. Monitoring, rapid response, and strategic planning are key to preventing more serious issues in the future. Today, we explore these developments and their implications for the bridge, its users, and regional stability. Experts emphasize that the bridge's weakened defenses are a concern for multiple reasons. Firstly, the structural integrity of the bridge is essential for safe transport of people, goods, and critical resources. Any damage, even if minor, can lead to delays or accidents. Secondly, the bridge is a key symbol of control over Crimea, making it strategically and politically significant. Satellite images reveal that protective systems, including barriers and reinforcement structures, have suffered visible damage from the storm. Engineers are actively assessing these areas to determine the scope of repairs. Ongoing maintenance is challenging due to high winds, water currents, and the exposed location of some bridge segments. Analysts also highlight the potential for secondary issues, such as corrosion or foundation stress, which can worsen over time if not addressed. The combination of natural stress from storms and the bridge's heavy usage creates a unique challenge for authorities. Experts recommend constant monitoring, preventive repairs, and contingency planning to ensure the bridge remains fully functional. Beyond physical damage, the bridge's vulnerability has captured international attention. Analysts warn that infrastructure weaknesses can have ripple effects on logistics, regional stability, and strategic planning. Today, we continue to monitor repair efforts, structural assessments, and expert warnings to provide viewers with a full picture of the situation surrounding this critical bridge. Continuing our analysis, the storm's impact on the Crimean Bridge highlights how natural events can stress critical infrastructure. Engineers are paying special attention to the bridge's pylons, road surface, and protective barriers, all of which have been weakened by high winds and strong water currents. Structural inspections indicate that while the bridge remains operational, certain sections now require immediate attention to prevent long-term damage. Analysts note that the bridge's role goes beyond transportation. It is a key lifeline for civilian and military logistics in Crimea. Any disruption, even temporary, could have cascading effects on trade, energy, and supply routes. Satellite monitoring shows that some protective walls are partially displaced and drainage systems are compromised, increasing vulnerability to future storms. Authorities are deploying repair teams to address urgent issues, but limited access due to weather conditions slows progress. Experts emphasize that continuous monitoring is essential to detect stress points and prevent accidents. The storm serves as a reminder that natural events can expose previously unnoticed structural weaknesses. For policymakers and engineers, it is a wake-up call to invest in more resilient infrastructure, improve emergency preparedness, and ensure operational continuity under extreme conditions. Today, we assess the full scope of potential disruptions and the measures being taken to protect one of the region's most critical bridges. The strategic significance of the Crimean Bridge cannot be overstated. Beyond connecting Crimea to the Russian mainland, it supports transport of energy, food, and military resources. The recent storm damage, although not catastrophic, has raised concerns among international observers and local authorities. Engineers report that the protective structures, barriers, reinforcements, and drainage systems have suffered cracks and displacement, making sections more vulnerable to heavy traffic or subsequent weather events. Analysts emphasize that even small structural compromises can have long-term effects if not promptly addressed. Satellite imagery and drone surveys are currently being analyzed to map the exact areas needing reinforcement. Maintenance crews are working under challenging conditions, with high winds and waves slowing repairs. Experts warn that prolonged delays in fixing weakened sections could lead to road closures or reduced load capacity. Meanwhile, the bridge remains symbolically and practically important, carrying not only civilian vehicles, but also goods and critical resources. International monitoring continues as governments and analysts assess how these vulnerabilities may affect regional stability. Observers note that infrastructure, like the Crimean Bridge, must be continuously reinforced, especially in areas prone to natural hazards. In today's segment, we explore how engineers and authorities are balancing immediate repairs with long-term strategic planning, ensuring that this vital connection remains operational despite recent storm damage. Recent developments highlight how extreme weather events can reveal hidden vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure. The Crimean Bridge, despite its robust design and symbolic importance, was not immune to the storm's force. Protective walls were compromised, and reinforced areas showed signs of stress. Experts warn that these conditions could worsen without timely maintenance. Authorities are using satellite imagery, drone footage, and on-site inspections to assess the full extent of the damage. Reports indicate that minor cracks, displaced barriers, and water erosion have affected several key points along the bridge. Engineers emphasize that even minor structural damage can escalate, especially with continuous heavy traffic or subsequent storms. Analysts also highlight the broader strategic implications. The bridge connects essential supply chains, supports energy transport, and facilitates movement between Crimea and Russia. Damage to it could disrupt logistics and impact regional stability. Maintenance crews are working to repair weakened areas, focusing on vulnerable pylons, drainage systems, and protective reinforcements. International observers are closely monitoring the situation, as any serious disruption could attract attention in the global media. Experts stress that proactive monitoring, reinforced repairs, and long-term planning are essential. In this section, we explore how authorities are responding to these vulnerabilities, the techniques used for repair, and why the bridge's resilience is critical for both civilian and strategic purposes in the region. The Crimean Bridge has faced challenges before, but this storm exposed vulnerabilities that were previously unseen. Experts are analyzing how structural reinforcements performed under extreme weather conditions. Cracks, displaced protective barriers, and compromised drainage systems are of particular concern. Engineers are conducting real-time assessments to ensure the bridge remains safe for transport. While the bridge continues to operate, certain load restrictions have been temporarily implemented to prevent further stress. Analysts note that ongoing maintenance is critical, as the bridge supports both civilian traffic and essential supplies. The damage also raises questions about long-term resilience and the adequacy of previous reinforcement measures. Satellite and drone imagery are being used extensively to monitor weak points and guide repair priorities. Observers are paying close attention to the bridge's response to high winds and water currents, as these natural forces can reveal structural weaknesses faster than routine inspections. Authorities have mobilized emergency repair teams, but the exposed and challenging location slows progress. Experts emphasize that this storm serves as a reminder of the importance of resilient infrastructure, strategic planning, and preparedness for extreme events. Today, we continue our coverage, examining ongoing repairs, expert assessments, and the broader implications for regional stability and connectivity. The Crimean Bridge remains a critical lifeline, and ensuring its durability is a top priority for engineers and authorities alike. As we conclude today's coverage, it's clear that the Crimean Bridge has faced significant challenges due to the recent storm. Protective structures have been compromised, engineers are actively repairing weakened sections, and analysts continue to monitor vulnerabilities closely. The bridge remains operational, but serves as a reminder of the importance of resilient infrastructure in strategic regions. Authorities are prioritizing repairs and strengthening measures to ensure transport safety and continuity of supply routes. Experts emphasize that ongoing monitoring, immediate maintenance, and strategic planning are essential to prevent further damage and potential disruptions. The bridge's symbolic and practical significance cannot be overstated. It is a key connection between Crimea and the Russian mainland, supporting transport, energy, and logistical operations. If you found this analysis informative and want to stay updated on developments in Crimea and critical infrastructure news around the world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us bring detailed updates and expert analysis directly to you. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think authorities will handle these vulnerabilities? Stay tuned for more updates as the situation evolves.